How to unblock people on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can unblock people on Facebook. So first of all, open the Facebook application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now once you're logged in, on the top right side of the screen, you can see your profile icon and three horizontal lines. Simply tap on it. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to scroll all the way to the bottom side of the screen and then tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Now again tap on Settings and then you will be taken to this page where you'll have to tap on your profile settings. After that, under Privacy, you can see 5 different options. Tap on the fourth one, which is Blocking, and now you will be able to see the entire list of people whom you have blocked on Facebook. Now in order to unblock someone, all you have to do is simply tap on them and then a pop-up will appear where it will ask you to unblock the person. So if you tap on the option Unblock, you will have successfully unblocked them on Facebook, and you can repeat the process for all of them as well. So that is basically how you unblock someone on Facebook. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.